Hi everyone, let's talk about Ocean Biomedical. It's a biopharma company that focuses on discovering and developing therapeutics products in the oncology, etc. diseases. So it's a biopharma company that went up within 24 hours, actually this day since the opening, 173%, just insane. 5-day return, 100%. And by the way, they didn't start. Yeah, actually, they started the same way as I already researched previous stock, where there was a drop, 60%, maybe even 70. Yeah, 70% drop, and since that, the making the huge return. So here we can see 280%. Who was finding the dip? Anyway, this kind of movement is phenomenal, and actually it went as high as $26 per share. Of course, those numbers are just insane, and as expected, it dropped to $12. And yeah, so this kind of movements I think will be in future also, since the bull market will be recovered. So nothing actually new here. So we are entering, in my opinion, we're like in the early stage of the bull market, whereas everything starts to grow. Of course, those kind of risky stocks may do more volatile things, movements, as we saw here. So there's an uptrend. By the way, here you see like nothing's changed with the price except January 30th. I guess the volume starts growing and something started to happen. And yeah, of course, they are just passing the clinical stages, etc. Moving forward to get the FDA acceptables, and of course, they start to sell the drug to the bigger competitor. But anyway, just a quick look. So this is actually showing last day return. So there's nothing new. The most important thing is that the financial health. We open here the cash and equivalents, and here we see that cash is running out $116,000. Not so much, but there's also debt, almost 1 million. And as you can see, there's equity just hugely down to 10 million on the negative side. So this is actually a very serious situation. Then the debt. So the shareholder equity should be positive, of course. So there's no way. This is actually just a huge deal. And I think a lot of the companies, hedge funds, are shorting this kind of companies where in the short term, of course, there's a good returns, but short squeezes, never knows what's going to happen. This kind of movement is pretty pretendable. So I guess there are some communities for sure who are searching for this kind of short interest going up, and they started to buying the shares. Nothing on the insider volumes, ownership breakdown. As you can see, 86% is owned by private companies, institutions 3, insiders 10%. So, and by the way, they didn't sell or buy the share ownership 114%. So this is actually first time I see this kind of percentages. I thought the overall should be 100, but top 4 shareholders own 133% of the company. I'm not sure what's going on here. First time seeing this, by the way. Shares outstanding at the same level. Nothing on sales. Yeah, so they got the depth, and I'm not sure this is some sort of new thing when they are just going with the equity, or what's going on there. But anyway, the thing is, I would not recommend to invest in this kind of stock, of course, because it has just huge negative shareholder equity, which is just affecting very badly on the price. But anyway, hopefully this video clarifies about the project. Nothing new actually here. And yeah, if it would be actually not, it's actually, even if the company's share price would drop to $3, I'm not sure would it be even then good investment. So be aware of this kind of movements. Try to invest in quality stocks, and yeah, don't be too risky, and try to not invest in one stock or crypto. Just pick the portfolio with the quality stocks or crypto. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and see you in the future one.